Welcome to the 2026 Footwear Intelligence Briefing, focused on Comfort Maxed. We are ranking the top 20 most comfortable shoes of 2026, analyzing mechanical return on investment, bioscience, and viral market impact. At rank number 1, the Hoka Clifton 10 is the undisputed king of the Maximalist era. The 2026 model introduces hyper marshmallow foam, reducing impact shock by 15% while maintaining a sub-250g weight profile. Rank number 2 is the New Balance 1080 V15, the benchmark for premium daily comfort. Its laser-cut Fresh Foam X provides a sink-in feel, great for recovery runs and all-day standing. Key drivers include its broad footbed and orthotic compatibility. At rank number 3, the Rastah Artisanal Kinetic represents a global breakthrough in artisanal engineering. This silhouette integrates hand-woven textiles with a dual-density kinetic foam core, reflecting the modern heritage performance trend. Rank number 4 features the On Cloud Surfer Next. Ditching the Speedboard for the CloudTech phase system, this model offers a computer-optimized transition that feels like a continuous wave of energy, defining the smooth run trend of 2026. The ASICS Gel Nimbus 28 takes rank number 5 with its Pure Gel innovation. It features an expanded Pure Gel heel insert and FF Blast Plus Eco Foam, catering to the massive segment of cloud seeker consumers. Next, we transition to the Metropolitan Pulse, covering our global rankings 6 through 10, focusing on footwear optimized for urban transitions. Rank number 6 is the Urban Pulse S1, defining the 2026 urban youth aesthetic. It utilizes high rebound responsive foam for metropolitan high-intensity life. Its strategic strength is mastering the, quote, accessible prestige price tier. The Adidas Ultra Boost Light 2 lands at rank number 7. It's 30% lighter than the original Boost, with 4% higher energy return, utilizing BioBoost tech, a carbon-neutral foam that maintains bounce in extreme temperatures. Rank number 8 is the Skechers Max Cushioning, dominating the affordable comfort segment. Its Ultra Go platform and Gogamat insole are the primary choice for entry-level enthusiasts and professional walkers globally. At rank number 9, the Nike Invincible 4 showcases ZoomX dominance, offering the highest bounce-back score in the top 20 via its full-length ZoomX midsole. It's the definitive leg saver for high-volume runners. The Brooks Glycerin 22 is rank number 10. Its nitrogen-infused DNA Eloft V3 foam provides ultra-soft cushioning without sacrificing durability, making it a top seller for neutral runners seeking a reliable, plush ride. Our next segment focuses on efficiency seekers, covering global rankings 11 through 15, emphasizing dynamic response. Rank number 11 is the Saucony Triumph 23, a masterclass in responsive cushioning with PWRRUN plus superiority. It offers a springy, stable foundation for any distance, appealing to those who find maximalist shoes too mushy. At rank number 12, the Allbirds Tree Runner 2 provides sustainable comfort with a carbon-negative footprint. The Sweet Foam midsole and eucalyptus fiber upper offer unparalleled breathability for urban transit. Rank number 13 is the Mizuno Wave Sky 8, featuring floating run tech. Combining Mizuno ENERZY and Wave technology, it creates a sensation of floating, offering maximum joint protection for heavyset runners. The UA Flow Velociti takes rank number 14 with its rubberless engineering. The Flow technology eliminates the heavy rubber outsole, creating a lightweight, one-piece cushioning system with extreme traction and a natural feel. Rank number 15 is the Merrell Nova 3, the Trail Comfort King. It bridges trail durability and sneaker comfort, featuring a Vibram TC5 Plus outsole and air cushion heel to absorb shock on uneven terrain. Finally, we examine our market challengers, covering global rankings 16 through 20, focusing on rising value in the comfort segment. The Puma Magnify Nitro 3 is rank number 16. Puma's Nitro technology provides weightless energy return, making this their most cushioned trainer and gaining massive ground in the speed comfort segment. Rank number 17, the Altra Olympus 6 is the leader in natural foot alignment. Its zero-drop platform and wide foot-shaped toe box accommodate natural swelling and splay during long days. At rank number 18, the Salomon XT6 transcends its trail roots to become a viral fashion icon. It is trending in 2026 for its technical support and sleek, quick-lace comfort in urban environments. Rank number 19 is the Ecco Soft 7, the gold standard for casual professional comfort. Its anatomically shaped last and premium leather construction ensure a customized fit over time. The Reebok Floatride 6 is ranked number 20, representing the entry-level elite. Maintaining a sub-$110 price point while offering high-performance foam, the Floatride series is the best bang-for-buck comfortable shoe of 2026. This chart illustrates the projected 2026 market share distribution by cushioning philosophy, showing how different comfort approaches divide the sector. Looking ahead to 2030, future projections include 3D printing for custom-printed lattices, smart textiles that dynamically adjust the upper, and circular life subscription models for high-performance biodegradable foam. Thank you for your attention to the 2026 Comfort Portfolio from the Retail Analytics Division. You can find more insight at the provided link.